Still on FM 93.1, News Radio WFLA Orlando, and still on AM 540. And now for our weekly look at legal issues in the news with our in-house legal expert, Attorney Tom Olson. This is Olson on Law.
Alan Spector here with the man himself, longtime Orlando attorney Tom Olson, as we bring you, as we do every Thursday at this time, Olson on Law. Tom, good morning.
Good morning, Alan and crew and WFLA listeners.
All right, our topic is, as Bud phrased it so well, Big Brother, living next door. Tom, with all the Ring doorbells and other home surveillance devices that are available now, can your neighbor video record your home and backyard?
I think a lot of people are going to be surprised to hear the answer is yes.
What?
Your neighbor can unintentionally or intentionally videotape your home and your yard. The law says that your rights as a property owner trumps your neighbor's right of privacy.
Which means I can video my neighbor's house and backyard.
Alan, in fact, there was a case where a neighbor put his camera on a 12-foot tall pole so that he could intentionally look over his neighbor's fence and videotape.
Is there any limitation at what your neighbor can video?
So the only limitation is where you as a homeowner feel like you should have a right to privacy. So, for example, they cannot videotape into your bathroom or into your bedroom or any place that you regularly get dressed.
Well, then what's the point?
Draw the line.
What's the point if you can't do that?
So otherwise, if you've got a problem with a neighbor who's got a video camera, your solution would be to plant some trees or plant some shrubs.
Well, that might take time for those trees and shrubs to grow, Tom. How about if I just double up my fence and this person who has the 12-foot high camera, I just add another 6 feet to my fence and just block it that way?
That'd be nice, but zoning's not going to let you do that, Alan. Typically, your fence can be no more than 6 feet tall.
Once again, the man keeping me down. Tom, I had one more question. What if someone's recording activities in your home and or backyard and they find what they believe is something illegal? Can they turn that video over to law enforcement?
It is absolutely public information that can be turned over to the police if they wanted to. The answer is yes.
All right.
And that may be why some people are recording this.
I'm going to have to make some changes in my behavior, I see. If you have legal questions, Tom will be happy to answer them on the Olson on Law show, which is heard Saturdays at 1 p.m. on News Radio WFLA Orlando. And a reminder, Tom and I do this segment, Olson on Law, every Thursday on Zoom, which means you can watch the video on our Facebook page and you can see that Tom Olson and I apparently have the same beard stylist. Tom, thanks so much, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you, Alan.
For all of your legal needs, call Olson Law Group. All right, and stand by. More of Good Morning Orlando on the way.